Hi, how are you today? I am going to show you about the Puppet Warp tool in Photoshop software. First, cut out a subject like this and put a background of your choice on the back. Then select the subject layer and click on the Puppet Warp option in Edit. Then you can look at the lines on a subject like this. Then mark points like this. You can now click on any point and correct any errors in the image. It is also possible to make new designs. Okay, it's time for me to go today then. Creative Week.